I'm giving a demo of how you can install MySQL if it is not working in your system. First, open control panel. In the control panel, go to this programs, uninstall a program, and search for MySQL. Okay, there are several MySQLs. So what you actually need to do is you need to uninstall all of them one by one. Okay, I have uninstalled all softwares related to MySQL. So remember, you need to uninstall only if it lists. If it doesn't lists anything, we are okay and good to go. And install the new package. I have shared a link containing the installer Google Drive link. All of you download this particular file from there and then double click on it for installing the MySQL. Observe all the steps that I follow while installing. So remember here you need to select full. So the setup type is full. You need to install server, client, everything. Okay, so both of them. So you need to select full and click next. And then rest all is straightforward. Just keep clicking next. You still have warnings with your selected paths. Are you sure what to continue? If this comes, see here, this particular directory already exists. So you need to go to that particular directory. Okay, it's you can actually safely delete this MySQL directory. We have already uninstalled everything, so it's safe to delete everything from the MySQL folder. File is open in another program. Okay, let's just delete MySQL 8.0. Okay, so after that, click next. Okay, warning is gone now, but there are no warnings, but it's still saying, but we guess it's safe to go. And then this appears. This will in once you click on execute, this installs everything that is listed here. Click on execute and allow some time for system to install all of them. Click next, next. So don't worry about anything, just keep clicking next here. And this is a root password you need to give. So and you need to remember it. So I suggest everybody to give password 123456 because it is easy to remember, and since you are going to install it in lab computers, so if we keep it as 123456, so if some other batch students also come, they can also use the same password. Okay, so it says weak, but that's okay. This is not a any big database we are creating. So click next, next, grant full access, yes, next, and execute. Again, it takes some time, so let's wait for it. Okay, now click on finish, next, finish, next. uh, So now this is for checking the connection. You have given the password 123456 and click on check. See, it says connection successful. That means our installation is successful. Now click on next, execute. So this completes the installation. Click finish. So now MySQL, you can use the command line as well as you can use the MySQL workbench. Okay, it automatically got loaded. So you can use this as well. See here, how do you do it? There is a database here. Just click on it. What is the password? 12345 6. Okay, so it opens. So you do not need to use the command line interface. You can use it here. So this is a query. So first step, I create a database. Create database university and a semicolon. And so just this is the this is the button for running the query. Click on it. See here, it says create database university. So it created the database. So once database is created, so this is one query, you can save it, and after that you just click this. So it creates a new query where you can write new queries. So which database do we need to use? We need to use the university database. Use university, execute. So it says it is using the university database now. Okay, and then in a new query, let's create a table. Create table. What is the key table that we need to create? Student. Create table student. What is the first row in that? Name, which is a varchar of 40 characters, let's say. And then uh, USN. This is also varchar of maybe 12 13 characters. So let's keep it 15. And then we have, okay, so I'll not create the proper table. I'm just showing it demo. So close the bracket and semicolon. Now run this. There is an error. What is the error? You have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual. So at line 4 there is a error. Okay, so here I have given a comma, that is a mistake. So close this and execute it. So it says created table successfully. So now after this, okay, instead of creating multiple tabs, what you can actually do is I can continue writing the query here. I'll show you that. So let's insert, okay, let's display the table contents. Now table contents has nothing, so it should return 0 rows. Select star from student semicolon. Now if I click on this, it executes everything. So the table is already created, so this will give a error. So instead of it, you can actually select this. So I want to run only this particular query. So select this and see here, execute the selected portion of the script. So click on it, it only executes this portion. So it says it returned 0 rows. So here you can see the content name USN, but nothing is there. So let's insert some data into it. Insert insert into student. You are going to insert USN name values. So let's insert 2 rows. For MC06 IS010. This is the second row. Close this. So this is a close braces for this particular row data, and another close braces for this one where we opened it here, and then finally semicolon. Now we only need to run this particular query. So select this and run this. Insert into data. So there is a error. What is the error? You have zoom error for syntax near rama hatra ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಲೈನ್ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ. What is the issue? Insert into student. I am going to insert USN name values. There is an error here. Okay, I haven't closed the double quotes. Okay, now select this, execute. Again some error. Operand should contain one columns. Okay, we should not give this particular brackets. So this is how you can execute. Okay, it says two rows affected. So two rows affected and two rows insert agide. So now let's run this select query again. Just select this and run. See here, this is our table content. Okay, so I just gave a quick demo of how to install and how to run queries